What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. Man, I'm stoked to finally be recording a new video on this lens. Like, holy damn, dude, this thing looks amazing. Alright, I'm gonna turn my hat backwards real quick because I got a weird shadow on my face. Alright, so I'm super stoked to bring you guys this. This is obviously gonna be the bumper letter insert video. You guys have been on my ass about this, telling me, Chris, when are you gonna do the inserts? When are you gonna do the inserts? Well, finally today we're gonna do the inserts. My car is extremely dirty from work, so we're gonna go and wash it up real quick and come back. We only have like an hour to do this. Hopefully I'm not rushing it too bad. We're gonna go wash it real quick and then we're gonna throw these on. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of the new project. Don't get too excited, you guys. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So I'm gonna finish this right now, what I'm doing. Oh my god, the camera's fogging up. So as you guys can tell from that, it is like super humid out here. So I don't even know why I'm painting, but it looks like it's turning out good. I have like one more coat on these, and then we're gonna go do the car real quick, guys. So I'll meet y'all there. Man, I'm not sure if you guys could hear that, but my car is squeaking really loud on the right side, and I hope it's not a ball joint. It's been raining really bad here, so I hope that I just have to re-grease it or something, but I'm kind of sad because I'm pretty sure it's a ball joint. Alright, so without further ado, man, I'm just gonna get, it doesn't look dirty on camera, man. It's true, cars don't look dirty on camera when you're videotaping. I don't know why. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a bottle of soapy water and clean that spot off real good, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do from there. Oh man, just from looking at it right now, it looks like this one and maybe the G. Maybe the G's. It looks like they're about to be a pain in the ass. I'm not really looking forward to this. I'm actually going to clean this off too because there's a little surprise in there for me. I might want to leave it blue though, so hopefully it doesn't look too cheesy or tacky, because I like the way it looks. I could have deleted it when I painted my car, but that's like the only Ford marking on this car, so I wanted to leave that on there. You guys know what I mean? Alright guys, so let's see if I can show y'all what I mean by dirty. Oh yeah, you can see. Oh my god, that is embarrassing. Yeah, I just got off of work yesterday, so this is what I was talking about. My work yard is insanely like a dust storm, and yeah, man, it's really embarrassing. So let's see what we can do here, guys. I'm gonna let me show you real quick. Alright man, so these are the letters right here. Obviously M-U-S-T-A-N-G and GT, because this bumper here has the GT, not like the new edges. But just to give a quick shout out, man, because they actually sent me the Ford overlay, just because they're awesome. So Bros Graphics, and that's their phone number right there if you want to give them a call. Their Instagram right there is @FirstCobra. Let me see if I can focus this one better. Yeah, @FirstCobra right there. eBay seller right there, and just go ahead and pause the video if you guys want to check this out. Big shout out to Dusty Davis, thank you so much, man, and check this out. Oh my goodness, that is his car right there, Mystic Cobra. So freaking clean, man. You have a clean ass ride. And if you guys know me, y'all know that freaking Mystic is my favorite color, favorite Ford color, that along with Comp Orange. So just keep that in mind. If I ever wrap my car, it is going to be Mystic. And I can't do Comp Orange because there's already a huge Instagrammer by the name of Merchant SVT, if y'all want to go check him out. So right here, this is the instructions. Spray insulation surface lightly with soapy water or Windex. We're going to use soapy water. Peel off the decal backing to expose the sticky side of the vinyl. Start at any one side, top, bottom, left, right. Place the edge on any decal you want. Slowly rest the layer of the decal down using a squeegee. Squeegee it out. So I need to go get a squeegee. I just forgot about that. But it's kind of simple, man. I've never done anything like this, so I hope it's not too hard. I don't think it will be. I'm just gonna use the soapy water and the squeegee, and hopefully it turns out all right. Bros Graphics, thank you again so much for shipping these out to me. They were like only 10 bucks, guys. So if you guys want these letters for your bumper, go hit them up. Like I said, their Instagram is right here at First Cobra. Go hit that guy up, man. Yeah, man, let's get to it. All right, you guys. It might look like it's darker right now because I was actually going crazy looking for this freaking squeegee and this box that American Muscle sent me. They sent me like this squeegee and this banner for my windshield, and I literally do not know where the stuff went. I put it in my closet, now it isn't there, you know. So I got this old squeegee right here. I'm pretty nervous right now to be laying these, but oh well. Let's see how we do this. I guess we just start right here, just peel this part off. Okay. Get it soapy. Take the M off. These are sticky as hell. Okay. And the soap helps you maneuver the letters in there, and wow, these are cut super good. Look at that already, man. Already. I don't even think we have to squeegee the soap out. I think the soap just automatically like comes out, you know. These are cut like extremely well, you guys. Wow. And the good thing about these from afar, they're gonna look black, but then when you get close up, you're gonna see that carbon fiber detail, you know. Since I got that carbon fiber look going now. I can see why it says lightly in all caps. If you put too much soap on there, they're just gonna keep on sliding around. I don't know if they would adhere properly, but I hope they do. Alright, the U looks a little long. You know, I'm a perfectionist, so I want it to be perfect, but you know, not everything is going to be perfect. It looks like the M's already settling a little bit. Oh, never mind. How are we supposed to do this, man? I hope they just dry. Shit. Wow, this one, you for sure need the soapy water. I literally cannot imagine doing this without the soapy water. Like, this would be impossible, honestly, to get it perfect at least. This carbon fiber literally has a texture to it. That is insane. That's crazy. Freaking mosquitoes out here. What's up, man? You recording? Yeah. What? Did you need it? Come over right now. Huh? It's alright. It's alright. Alright, so what's going on, guys? We're at the car wash now, and I'm just like, you know, rinsing up the car and stuff, and you know, just trying to give her a little wash. And I was gonna show you guys the update on what happened with the letters and stuff. As you can tell, man, I got her all cleaned up. And this is actually why I'm changing the headlights, bro. You can see it literally leaked in there. There's soap all inside there. So, yeah, man. This is her right here. And as we get to the back, like I said, we just rinsed it. So I wanted to show you guys how well it came out. Here we go. Buddy behind me kind of gave me some light. You can see. Mustang GT. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Yay or nay. If you guys liked it, you know, I did this because a lot of you guys were telling me that y'all wanted to see these on the car. So I finally just went ahead and did it. Yeah, man. I don't know, it's kind of growing on me already. I wish I had my car washing stuff, but I actually forgot it at the house, so we just did a rinse. I'll probably watch this thing tomorrow, but yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get up on out of here. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys so much for viewing. It's me and my girl right here. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.